In this video, let us discuss basic lab equipment in pharmacy and college setting supports compounding, practicals, and small-scale formulations by enabling precise measurement, mixing, heating, and sterilization. These tools ensure accuracy, safety, and reproducibility in pharmaceutical preparations. Basic lab equipment. These are used for compounding, practicals, and small-scale formulations. Glassware include beakers, conical flasks, volumetric flasks, graduated cylinders, pipettes, burettes, funnels, test tubes. Weighing or measuring. Examples for them are analytical and single-pan balances, metric weights, weighing boats, spatulas, scoops. Compounding tools include mortar and pestle made of glass or porcelain, ointment slabs, spatulas, stirring rods, suppository molds, capsule filling trays. For heating and cooling, water bath, hot plate, heating mantle, oven, tray dryer, refrigerator are used. Filtration or sterility includes membrane filtration units, laminar airflow cabinet, autoclave, hot air sterilizer. Analytical and QC instruments. These ensure identity, strength, purity, and quality of drugs. Spectrophotometers include UV visible, fluorescence spectrophotometer, chromatography, HPLC system, gas chromatography. Electrochemical meters includes pH meter, conductivity meter, potentiometer. Other analyzers are colorimeter, flame photometer, nephelometer, TOC analyzer, biochemistry analyzer. Microbiology or QC tools, colony counter, Bohr incubator, incubators, microscopes. Beakers. These include cylindrical glass containers with a spout used for mixing, heating, and holding liquids during experiments. Conical flasks, narrow-necked flasks with a flat base ideal for swirling mixtures and titrations without spilling. Volumetric flasks are precisely calibrated glass bottles for preparing standard solutions of exact volumes. Graduated cylinders are tall, narrow vessels for accurately measuring liquid volumes in milliliters. Pipettes, slim glass tubes for transferring precise small volumes of liquids in titrations or dilutions. Burettes are long graduated tubes with a stopcock for controlled dispensing of reagents in volumetric analysis. Funnels, conical glass tools for safely pouring liquids into narrow openings or supporting filter paper. Test tubes include small cylindrical glass tubes for holding, mixing, and heating small reaction samples. Here in this image you can see the different glassware used in pharmacy. Weighing or measuring. Analytical balances has high-precision scales measuring masses to milligrams for accurate pharmaceutical weighing. Single-pan balances are simple mechanical balances for quick routine weighing in lab settings. Metric weights are standardized metal masses used to calibrate balances and verify measurements. Weighing boats has lightweight disposable paper or plastic scoops for holding powders during weighing. Spatulas are flat-bladed metal or plastic tools for scooping and transferring solids without contamination. Scoops are small shovel-like tools for efficiently transferring bulk powders or granules. These images depict essential pharmaceutical compounding and measuring tools used for accurately weighing, preparing, and dispensing medications. Next equipment used in pharmacy are compounding tools. Mortar and pestle made of glass or porcelain is ball and club-shaped grinder set for crushing, mixing, and pulverizing solids into fine powders. Ointment slabs are smooth, flat porcelain or glass surfaces for compounding semi-solid ointments and creams. Spatulas are flexible blades for mixing, spreading, and levigating ointments on slabs. Stirring rods. Glass rods for manually mixing solutions or inducing crystallization. Suppository molds are multi-cavity metal or plastic trays for shaping uniform suppositories. Capsule filling trays are boards with pegs and plates for manually loading powder into empty capsules. Here you can see all the compounding tools which has been discussed previously. Next equipments are for heating or cooling. Water bath is temperature-controlled water container for gentle, uniform heating of heat-sensitive samples. Hot plate has electric flat-top heater for direct or indirect boiling and stirring of solutions. Heating mantle which has insulated fabric or ceramic enclosure for safely heating flasks with round bottoms. Oven, enclosed chamber for drying, baking, or sterilizing solids at controlled temperatures. Tray dryer is multi-shelf oven for batch drying powders, granules, or tablets with hot air circulation. Refrigerator is temperature-regulated storage for preserving heat-labile formulations and samples. These are common laboratory heating and cooling units used for controlled temperature processing and drying of samples. Filtration or sterility equipment includes membrane filtration units, assemblies with porous membranes for sterilizing or clarifying liquids by size exclusion. Laminar airflow cabinet in which filtered, unidirectional airflow enclosure for aseptic compounding and handling. Autoclave is high-pressure steam sterilizer for eliminating microbes from glassware, media, and tools. Hot air sterilizer is dry heat oven for sterilizing heat-resistant items like powders and oils at high temperatures. These are common laboratory sterilization and filtration units images which are used to maintain aseptic conditions and ensure microbial safety. Analytical and QC instruments information can be uploaded in part 2. Like, share and subscribe Sharvana's Knowledge Hub.